Hey beauties, so welcome back. It's been a while since I've done any DIY, so I decided to come with something simple yet cute. We're gonna make our own biker shorts. So let's get right into it. So first, let's start off with the things you'll need. So you'll need stretch fabric, a pair of stretchy shorts, some pins, scissors, and matching thread. Okay, so with your fabric, you want to fold it in half, right sides facing each other. Also, you want to try to make sure that it is stretching horizontally if you don't have four-way stretch fabric like I do. Now you want to grab your shorts, folding it in half, placing it on your fabric, and you're going to cut the outline of the shorts. For mine, I merely cut in half an inch wider just because my fabric is really stretchy. So you can cut an inch wider just so you have your seam allowance, but for these, or the fabric type that I have, I didn't feel it was necessary. But again, you want to cut the outer shape of your shorts. And I did give mine a bit more inches. I wanted my shorts to be longer. So you should have two identical pieces. You want to pin along the crotch area and sew that together. So when you open up after pinning it, voila, you have the front of your shorts. But anyways, take that to your sewing machine and get that bad boy sewn. Now you want to do the exact same thing that you did for the front to the back. Here you can't really see it because it kind of camouflages, but I use the front outline to cut out my back piece. Okay, so again, you're going to pin the crotch and sew that together. Once done, you should have the front piece and the back piece. Not sure if I need to tell you because we are making shorts, but you do want to back stitch at the top and then back stitch at the bottom of the shorts. Yeah, you should kind of know that if you're already at that stage where you're making shorts. You expert now. Okay, so we have our front piece and we have our back piece. You want to make sure right sides are facing one another. Something that I always do, I always match up the top of the center and the bottom of the center. The crotch, of course. I feel like I'm saying crotch a lot, but anyways. The top of the center and the bottom of the center, just so it doesn't shift. Once they are matched up, you can go ahead and pin the sides and the outer leg, the inner leg. Just make sure everything is pinned together and go ahead and sew that together. I feel like I'm being very repetitive, but yes, you guys know what I mean. Okay, so you have the body of the shorts. Now for the waistband. What I did was fold the fabric in half, and on fold, the length worked out to be 3.5 inches. Once opened, of course, it's double, it's 7 inches. So that is my length. Personally, I just wanted a higher waistband. If you don't, of course, just don't do it that long. But anyways, for the width of the waistband, you're going to measure around your waist. Whatever length you get, you're going to divide that by 2. And you don't need to add an extra inch for seam allowance just because the fabric is really stretchy. Now you're going to cut out this piece twice. Unfold, wrong sides facing each other, you're going to sew down the sides. what I was showing you, that you can do a basting stitch along the bottom, just so when you are attaching it to the shorts, it's easier to sew together. Once the sides are sewn down, you're going to attach the two pieces. Okay guys, so we're getting there. This part I'm going to go slow just so you catch it. So the shorts should be on the right side. The waistband should be on the wrong side. Now make sure for this part you're paying attention to when you're attaching it. The seam allowance should be facing outward, so you don't want to attach it the wrong way. Then the two side seams, I pin that together. Then once the side seams are pinned together, you are going to attach all 3 layers going around, making sure you aren't missing anything. When sewing all 3 layers together, try to go slow just to make sure you really aren't missing anything, because it is a headache if you do miss either part of the waistband or part of the shorts and have to remove the stitches and sew it
again, and it's just too much.
So go slow on this part. So you're pretty much done. All you have to do now is hem the bottom. So you just want to fold that over once and sew a straight line all the way around. So there it is, some very cute biker shorts. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to see when I do upload more videos just like this. And hit that notification bell so you're the first to see when I do upload. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye.